Welcome to the Shopify Aliexpress Dropship course. And the first thing I want to do is say a massive thank you. I know your time is precious, but I also know you're not going to be disappointed with how much you are about to learn over the next several lectures. I have a massive amount of experience in this area and an enormous amount to share with you. But before we get going, the first thing I want to say is this course is about doing. Okay, it's not just about watching videos. So I really need you to take action if in fact you are going to change your life and build out a $10,000 per month business. Now, the first things I need to do is to lay the foundation stones for this whole thing on which we can build our business. So we've got a solid base. And I call those the essentials. Okay, so what are they? So the essential number one is the business model, or how you will make money. Okay, clearly you need to understand what it is that we're doing here. How are we going to make money? So in the next lecture, I'm actually going to show you a helicopter view of how that all works. You're going to see how exciting and achievable it really is. Essential number two is about setting up your free Shopify account. Okay, now Shopify, if you're not familiar with it, it is probably now the world's leading e-commerce platform for, let's say, non-technical people. All right, so it's very point and click. It's extremely intuitive. It's very, very easy to use. And dare I say fun. You're going to enjoy setting up your store with Shopify. Now, once we've set up that Shopify store, I want to give you a brief tour. Okay, sometimes it can be a bit daunting, particularly if you've never done something like this before in your life. So I'm just going to take you through your Shopify account, familiarize you with it, and put you at ease. So those are the three essentials, and I'm going to see you in the next lecture when we're going to dive into essential number one.